Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are visiting the channel for the first time, you're welcome. In today's video, I'm going to decorate the dining shelf for Christmas. So I've chosen a red and blue theme, which is unusual. Usually red, green and white are for Christmas, but I thought for a change, let us use red and blue. So without much ado, let's go into the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel before, please consider subscribing. I have gathered some red and navy blue crockery items to decorate the hutch. I also collected all the Christmas ornaments I had. I don't think I have any blue Christmas ornament, but anyways, I managed to decorate the hutch with what I had. The ones who have watched my previous videos might have noticed that my hutch is made up of different compartments. I have tried to maintain the diagonal and horizontal symmetry in color and in decor. Once I complete the decoration, I will show you how the symmetry is maintained. Please enjoy Jingle Bells and decorate with me. can see here the red and blue cups have this snowflakes motif, and also the red Christmas ornaments have the snowflakes motif in it. Now let me show you how I have maintained a symmetry and a contrast approach in my decor. In this top compartment, I have kept some blue colored items. Diagonal to that, here I have kept some red colored items. On this side of the top level shelf, I have kept some red colored items. Diagonal to this, kept some blue colored items. At the middle level, I have mixed red and blue. Also, I have layered red and blue bowls in the middle. Now let's move on decorating the bottom level of the shelf. you all have enjoyed decorating with me. If you really liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share with friends. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas to you all.